Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so my partner Abhinav, he wasn't able to come today, so I'm just gonna do the whole presentation. So we created an app called Ratava. It's a quarantine wellness and entertainment system. So it's like an all-in-one platform for virtualization. It can do everything. It allows for better connectivity as well as enhanced experience even at home. So we can raise awareness by allowing users to post announcements like in Facebook, stay updated with live news, and look at stock predictions. We're using machine learning models for that one. And we can also ensure good health by suggesting better yoga forms through the analysis of submitted yoga positions. This will also use machine learning as well as listing dietary recommendations. It increases efficiency and is basically an all-in-one app. So here's some features that we run down. So users can post announcements that other people can see online. It's kind of like, yeah, it's kind of social media app like Facebook, but with more features added. So there's also live news, predicted stock price movements, which we'll see in the demo in the video, because it's kind of hard to explain here. And we can also ensure good health by the yoga forms, which will also show in the demo. And yeah, it also increases efficiency in lives. So here's our reason why we made this app. This is our app's mainly built on the stock market, volatility and predictions. As you can see, the stock traders have increased a lot over the COVID-19 times. And here's what our stock predictor is built on. We used AI models and advanced machine learning using LSTM, long short-term memory algorithms, heavily traded and popular companies such as Apple, Zoom, and other companies where we scraped data from Yahoo Finance, and it was collected from 2012, which was used to train the AI model. We ended up with an accuracy of 86%, which is considerably good as the stock prices vary a lot. And this is our backend on the yoga form analysis. So first, the user inputs a picture of themselves doing a specific position and specifics which position it is, specifies which position it is. Then we use TensorFlow, machine learning, and OpenCV. The location of the user's joints are predicted. Next, the joints are plotted directly on the image, which is then outputted back through the app. The user can finally compare this to the official picture. Additionally, the app will also provide a collection of possible diets that the user can follow while in quarantine. This might be confusing to just talk about, which is why I hope the video will work and you'll understand it a lot better. And here's our other features. The quarantine wellness and entertainment system, Ratava, also increases efficiency while promoting social distancing. The user can directly order groceries and food from local businesses, such as food trucks. It's going to both increase efficiency for the users and ease the burden on the food creators. As can be seen, everyone can benefit from Ratava in their current situations. Ratava is the way to go. We look forward to also publishing our app on the Apple App Store and also creating a live version that everyone can access soon. And this is the video, which I don't think rendered still. So is it possible if when the video works, I can show it to you?
Yeah, you can just tell us when the video works, and whenever it works, we can show it.
All right, sure, thanks.
All right, so the judges, if you have any questions for the Ratava Group project, feel free to ask them. Now is the time.
Yeah, I have one. Do you have any reasons why this is better than the existing apps?
So far online, we tried searching for stock predictor apps and we couldn't really find any good ones out there. So we decided to make it ourselves. And also we thought that since there's many apps that have specific features in them, we wanted to create one that all users can use combined. So instead of like switching apps over time for different features, you can just have it all in one. So it's better for like convenience mainly.
I have a question. What's the input to LCM? Like, what are you considering?
Can you repeat that?
What variables are you considering when predicting stock prices?
Oh, so we're using the historical stock data from Yahoo Finance over time to see like the trend in patterns of the stock. So if it goes up, we predict that using like uses like a lot of dates over time. So like if in a regular stock trader, like if you were a person, they would also look for trends to see where the stock would move. Our app does that as well. It's kind of like a human trader who analyzes the stock movement over time. Oh, and our video work now, I think. So let me share my screen.
Feel free to play it.
Okay. Let me know when you see my screen.
We can see it right now.
Okay, so this is our app. It's like in a website view, and we minimize it to fit the mobile screen because that's what our app's going to mainly be on. So let me just play the video. So this is our login, and we can create an account here with different passwords and emails. Let me forward this part. So you register, you log in, and here's the dashboard. So this is where our posts will be. So you can create a post, and other users can see this as well. Let me forward this part. And then you can post it, and you see other users can see this as well. And there's a log button. And here's our dietary recommendations and our food trucks. And here's what you can see. You can choose different diets. Right now, it's pretty basic for the diet part, but we hope to make this better in the future. And here's our contacts where you can call different medical places and see the news at the bottom here. And yeah. And here's some links there for the news. I keep forwarding here. And you can see we went to an Apple podcast as well. And here it takes us to Apple Podcasts. That's a link in our app. And you keep forwarding. And this is our main app part, the stock predictions. Since the market is so volatile, we thought this would be a great app to feature to include in our app. So there's a graph there we can see, and all the prices, which it predicts to go up. Here's Facebook, Apple, Tesla. And the green means that's how much it'll predict it to go up, and red is how much we predict it to go down. So we added a lot of apps, and using the Google machine learning platform, we included our Python code to run the scripts constantly. And this is going to show us how we can search for a specific graph. So he's going to enter a date, search, and you can see the historical stock prices here, the dates at the bottom. And we have a bar chart and just a dot chart. So let me keep forwarding. Oh, this is our yoga part here. Let me go back a little bit. So you can choose a pose to compare, tree pose. We included different images, and you can select a file. And you upload it. And then usually it should show the green bars working, but we need to run the script manually for now because we don't have enough space to run it constantly for the yoga. And then that will return the green points as shown above. It should show something like, let me show you what it should show. It's just like those green lines up there on the person above. Let me see. So what it should show is these green bars showing the specific joints movement. And then when we run the script manually, it'll return a image that he sent, but with the green points. So let me play again. So that's just how it works. Oh, I think this is where it shows the green points. Yeah. Because he had to run the script manually, that's why it took some time. And then, yeah. He entered the image without the green points, and now the green points are here. So let me keep forwarding. Oh yeah, we also have a dark mode I forgot to say that. And you can look at it at different points, or different sources. Yeah. I personally think light mode looks better, but both ways are good. And yeah, that's our app. Thanks for watching.